Hey, what's going on, everybody? Want to do a quick video on how to replace the handle on your Boss hammer. As you can see, we broke the sucker right in half, so we need a new handle on this. And if this happened to you, don't worry. We sell replacement handles on our website at bosshammerco.com. You're going to get a laser engraved handle, you're going to get 2 metal wedges, and you're going to get a wood wedge. Now, what makes a Boss hammer special is that the handle is hung at a perfect 90 degrees perpendicular to the head and the claws. So we're going to show you how to hang it and make sure that it's square. So to get the old head off, we're going to want to use a miter saw and cut as close as we can to the bottom of the head. Now, to get that last piece out, you'll see some people will take a drill and drill 3 or 4 holes in the center of that and then just punch it and work it out. We have a hole cut where we can just take a punch and hammer and just punch it out. Make sure that the hammer head meets that shoulder right there.